I'm doing a video for the Auto Excel line sheet. I'm showing how to add your Google image, because adding a regular image, all you do is you copy and paste. And I recently updated this so that you could add images from your Google Drive, from the OneDrive. So this is the line sheet that you purchase. This is what this is referring to. And I'm just going to open it up here. Previously, this was not here. And this is a new column. And this is very important, this column, because it allows you to decide whether it's in the Google Drive or not. Google Drive, you just cannot copy and paste the image. There's a certain system that they have. And this may change starting in May. I understand in May they're going to change the system of the URL. So for now, this is going to work. I don't know what's happening in May. I don't know how they're going to change it. So if it does change in May, I probably will be sending out an update, but I probably have to figure it out, because I had to figure out this one to put a formula in so that you could copy and paste it, because otherwise you would have to do like 4 steps, and I didn't really want you guys to do a lot of steps. I want to use to copy it, paste it, so I try to keep it as simple as I could. So let's go to the sheet, and we're gonna create a fake item. So let's say is jewelry set. Let's actually make necklace set. And I'm just gonna put this data here because that's really all I need for now. And I'm going to say, if it's not in the Google Drive, you're going to say no, because if it's not from the Google Drive, all you do is paste the link. But if it's in the Google Drive, you want to say yes. And then what you do is you come to your Google Drive, or you go to your Google Drive, and I added these 2 images here. And there's 2 options. You could open this up, double click on it, open it up. But I'm just going to show you the easiest option, which is you just go here, you have the 3 dots, and it says more actions, and you're going to share, and then you're going to share. And that it doesn't end there. It's not enough. You have to first allow anyone with the link to view it, and in addition to that, you have to allow them to be editors, because otherwise it's not going to work. And then after that, all you do is you copy the link and you paste it. So let me just go here. I'm going to paste it, Control V, and that is the necklace set. So let's just take a look here. I did it for this sheet table. I'm gonna do a practice one for the cover table. Let me just check quickly. Okay, these don't exist anymore. I was doing a test. So I'm going to do, these are the regular ones. Here we have all the regular copy and paste from a URL, from any URL. And this is a basic URL. So now we're going to do the one we added from Google Drive. And it's takes a little bit of time. So you see it looks kind of warped. And that's because the proportion, these are all squares. So that picture I really was for the cover. Actually, let me show you again how to do it, because I'm going to choose this is the image I wanted for that. So let's do this. Let's share. And restricted, anyone with the link, viewer, editor, copy link. And then let's paste it. And let's paste it to the details. Let's go to the sheet table. We're going to say yes. Actually, I'm going to paste it here. V. And I'm going to copy this one. Copy. And I'm going to put that for the cover. I'm going to make that cover tree. V. And then this one, we're just going to copy it and put it as for the sheet. And I'm gonna delete this because I don't need this. So let's just take a look here. So okay, necklace set, we have it, and we could alternate between URL images and Google Sheet. And then for the cover, I actually want that other cover. So that was number 3. And it says first not found. And let's see why it says not found. Let's take a look at that. And that's because I didn't press the yes. So let me write yes. And now let's go to the cover, and there you go. So you have to remember to do the yes, because this is new for me too, because I just added this this detail just now. So yeah, so there you go. You can have your Google images very easily transported or placed on your catalog. And for the OneDrive, which is the Microsoft OneDrive, you can do it, but you need to have the business, and all you have to do is embed. So if you have a SharePoint, you have a business account, then you could easily just go to embed image and have it there. But for Google Sheet, it's just a little bit easier because everyone can do it. You just have to know how to do it. And then once you do that, you can definitely have additional images. So I hope this explains how to do it easily. And remember, if you have any questions, please contact me. I have my contact information in my Etsy store. And remember, this might change in May. So in May, I'm going to be looking out for the changes, because I think they're changing the URL system they have. That's the message I'm getting. So I'm just going to be looking out to see if they make any really definite changes that will make me have to change. And in the meantime, it would always work for URL images, but it may not work for Google. I just don't know what the changes they're going to make, but hopefully it won't be any major changes and we can continue using this system. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, reach out to me. Bye.